Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this quick 5-minute energy reset. So if you're feeling a little bit out of whack today, a little bit ungrounded, a little bit unbalanced, maybe you're feeling emotional, you're feeling a little bit of stuff coming up, then I invite you now to just be with me for the next few minutes to just enjoy this little bit of Reiki healing, and I'm just going to guide you into that with a short meditation. So to begin with, just make sure that you're not going to be distracted, you're not doing anything with any machinery, you're not driving or anything like that. Just find some space and time to just find yourself somewhere to sit and just have your feet flat on the ground, and just begin by just closing down the eyes and just become aware of the place that you sit. Just become aware of where you sit. Your buttocks in the chair and the feet connected to the ground. And I just want you to pass your awareness up and down from your hips down to your feet, back up to your hips, and back down to your feet. And I want you to now just follow that with the rhythm of your breath. So as you breathe in, bring the energy up to your hips, and as you breathe out, send it down to the feet. Breathing in and breathing out. Really bringing a deep connection to the mind and body and breath. Somatic breath. To just calm and balance, and just following that breath for a few cycles to just relax everything down. Just letting go of whatever you're feeling, letting go of whatever has happened, and just be here now with that breath, with your mind and your body. And just continue to just follow that breath with no expectations, just being with the breath, just sitting with the breath. And I'm going to begin to send some Reiki healing to you now to work on your mind, to work on your heart, and to bring you more deeply into the present moment. And just following your breath up and down those legs. On the next inhale, I want you to bring that awareness up into the chest. And exhale back down through the feet. Breathing into the heart, into the chest. And breathing out down through the feet. Good. Just keep going with that, breathing into the chest and out through the feet. And just follow that for a few more cycles. Like the waves of the ocean, moving in and moving out. And now on your next inhale, I want you to imagine that awareness and that breath moving all the way up to the top of the head, and breathing out all the way down through the soles of the feet. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Calmer, relaxed, more balanced, more at peace. And now just bring your breathing back to your normal rhythm. Breathing into the belly. Becoming aware once again of the place that you sit, the sounds that are around you. Just gently opening the eyes when you're ready. Coming back to this space. And allowing you to move on with your day. I hope this short energy reset has just helped you to just balance and reground and find some calm within your busy schedule, within your busy day. If it has, please check out my meditation playlist and my other videos in the meditation playlist for a longer period meditation, and also check out these videos linked at the end of this video, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Namaste.